Hello everybody, back with another cleaning video. Today we're going to be using Hexol General Household Cleaner and Deodorant. This is the original concentrated. I've never used this before. But our active ingredient is 57.2% pine oil. So this should work wonderfully. Again, one capful per gallon for testing purposes. Oh yeah. That definitely has pine oil in it, as it clouded the water up immediately. Now the floor may be a little wet because I am doing back-to-back cleaning videos because I had a bit of a family emergency and I'm trying to crank out some videos today where I've got some content to continue uploading. So let's get started with this one. Yeah, this doesn't smell like the pine in the previous video. But it does smell nice and clean. Oh yeah. That's pretty good. That did a fine job. Do a second mop, of course, just to make sure it's clean. And that did a fine job as well. And here's the water. Got a little bit more dirt out. Probably some that's in the mop. So doing these back-to-back videos, I'm also getting the mop cleaned. Once again, Hexol Original Concentrated. 57.2% pine oil. Thank you for watching. Another very good cleaner.